Love is a beautiful thing, something that every single person on this earth deserves. But love is a tricky thing. Finding it is a tricky thing. I hope that everybody knows that someone is out there for you, and we are here to help you find them. I bring you to Valshe. We are here working to ensure that you find love. Valshe is love, and love is you. Join us.